Greetings everyone. Today I, Ritu Nagpal, representing Global Library, Jindal Global University, India, will be sharing our preparedness in handling the pandemic outbreak that has provided us with immense amount of opportunities along with challenges to overcome during this present lockdown situation. Change is the law of nature and the libraries have transformed. Yes, dear listeners, I believe you all to an extent agree to this. During this unprecedented period, we have been challenged to reinvent and transform ourselves. And yes, we as libraries known to be the knowledge hub are transforming. There are many reasons to why I'm saying so. To share a few, which recently I came across through American Library webpage, which depicts many reasons to support my statement are because we all deserve an access to the quality content, because learning happens 24 into 7 beyond the four walls, because ebooks fits a world of literature in our pocket, because book shows us every color of the rainbow, because our own data shouldn't be an open book, because hands-on learning makes sharper brains, and so many more. This is where we as a team, Global Library, strongly emphasize upon that library plays an eminent role in teaching and learning process. Amid this lockdown period where the whole world is at a transformational stage, we made certain distinctive provisions for the users to provide them with uninterrupted access to the resources digitally. As I have just mentioned, learning happens 24 into 7. All of ours, that is Global Library's digital resources, are open for the user 24 into 7 through off-campus access. We incorporated delivering video tutorials on off-campus access, interlibrary loan, and many more are there in pipeline. We have compiled an exhaustive list of resources available openly during this pandemic period. Adding to this, certain limited access resources are also available through off-campus access on sharing a request about the same. Moving further, during this troublesome situation that we all are going through, this e-resources remote access page has been modified where we have synthesized comprehensively the different resources under different tabs for convenient access for the users. Virtual Reference Librarian. The team member is there to assist you. One can join live chat with the library staff using the chatbot from the library website, that is library.jgu.edu.in. We have also introduced a learning management system to offer and support online teaching and learning among the JGU faculty members and students as well. Being a part of research-driven institution, Global Library is committed to support and encourage the users to participate in the research activities. So what if we all are little off track due to this COVID-19? All the research publications are submitted in the digital archive of JGU, which are very well managed by staff of Global Library. During this lockdown period, we avail this opportunity to connect with the users in a better way and provide personal assistance related to JGU Digital Archive and plagiarism check for both Turnitin and Open, which is available round the clock via email. Dear friends, we are in a crisis situation, but we, the team of Global Library, are again and again emphasizing in procuring more and more digital collection. The access to the digital collection is again open to the users, unlike other electronic resources, which can be accessed off campus. Articles, requests, searching ebooks, etc. are the routine operations of the staff during these pandemic situations. In case of odd availability of any of the resource, we also try to serve through the interlibrary service. At the end, I would like to sum up that under the leadership of our esteemed director, the team Global Library believes in just one mantra, that is, if the challenges are big, the opportunities are bigger. Thank you.